Hello, little friends. Welcome once again to another fun session of Fun, Learn, Explore. Today, for our English topic, we are going to be learning what is a sentence. Well, the question is, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells us something which makes sense. A sentence starts with the capital letter, uppercase, and ends with the full stop. You'll see during our examples, a capital letter will be highlighted in blue and a full stop will be highlighted in pink. Let's get started. First sentence. This is a furry cat. You can see the capital letter is highlighted in blue and the full stop is highlighted in pink. This is a furry cat. The sun is hot. You can see the capital T is highlighted in blue and the full stop is in pink. The sun is hot. Ava likes cake. Ava likes cake. With the capital letter in blue and the full stop in pink, this makes a perfectly nice sentence. Chuck sees a white ball. Chuck sees a white ball. Capital letter in blue, full stop in pink. Chuck sees a white ball. Alexa and her friends are playing cards. Alexa and her friends are playing cards. Kelsey likes apples. What's she saying? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Ha ha, very funny. Kelsey likes apples. Jonathan is eating lunch. Yummy! Jonathan is eating lunch. This is a perfectly nice sentence because it has a right capital letter and the right full stop. The cow says moo. Moo. The cow says moo. Moo. The bed is soft and cozy. The bed is soft and cozy. Is your bed soft and cozy? Make sure to look out for the capital letter and the full stop. Isaac likes to play with blocks. Isaac likes to play with blocks. Capital letter, full stop. Isaac likes to play with blocks. I hope that you learned the basics of a sentence in this session. Don't forget to like this video, share it to different people, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.